What's up, YouTube? I'm a lifeguard for the day at the Four Kingdoms Adventure Park. So here's my little seat, and I'm watching the boys. No, I'm only joking. But yeah, I'm at the Four Kingdoms. It's like 30 degrees, hottest day of the year so far in England. Absolutely lovely. So have a little picnic at the Four Kingdoms. Private party, no one here. It's absolutely sweltering. Do a bicycle kick. Do a bicycle kick. Do a Suey Monster bicycle kick. Oh, that's rubbish.
I suck at bicycle kick. I'll do this one.
That's better. Oh god. So hot. Shit. Oh, no. Done.
See, Kenny was worse than me. You didn't miss that. What's my second try?
Yeah, that's better. That was good. That was a good one.
It's my go. It's my go. That's like...
Behind the chair. Got big slides over there, little baby pool. It's got a farm, dinosaur park. It's a good place to bring the kids. Do little Christmas specials as well. Halloween's good as well. Right, cut to us doing something else. Like and subscribe. Right, I've had to retire my duties as the lifeguard. We weren't paying enough. Minimum wage lifeguard. So I'm officially retired. Look at this sandy beach. It's like being on holiday.
Oh, I like the
All inclusive. Absolutely roasting hot. What these guys are doing over there, that's where the dinosaurs are. We've got football goals over there now, that's good. Let's go back to the little Thai picnic and see what they're doing. The little Thai picnic. Sandy, sandy, sandy. Sandy, sandy, sandy. Sandy. Oh, Orion's got some Lucasade. I'm definitely going to steal some of this. Oh. Still cold. It's not bad. Let's give it a taste. Oh. Cut to me melting in the heat. This is a little Thai picnic. Eating all sorts of foods. What are they doing? Who are these guys? They're doing something with the pool. Let's go check them out. Here we have the Thai whale.
Oh yeah.
Washed up on the sea. We need to get her back to the ocean. She needs to go back to the sea. The Thai whale. She looks like she has babies inside her belly.
I think it's just pretending.
Thai whale.
Lincoln's got sand in his eyes.
Back at the Four Kingdoms Adventure Park, and I've just spotted a single llama on his own. Don't know if you can see him, but he's staring right at me. Apparently he's quite friendly, so I'm going to see if I can give him a little stroke. He better not bite me, the bloody bastard. I'll have to give him a swift left-right. Got the fire people if I need them. There he is, he's in there. Staring right at me. Don't know how to get in there though. Let's fucking zoom in. See him? Yeah, apparently he's friendly, so let's have a look. It's locked. I shall just go in there. There's a few different animals. Oh, maybe you can come up this way. Seems a bit agitated, that one over there. What's that one? Alpaca, she said. Shall I just climb over? Oh shit, who's that? Who the hell is that? I don't think they like it when I've got a can of Strongbow in my hand, but fuck it. Update, I'm in the animal enclosure. I've got a swift exit that way. If things get a bit techie. What we got? I think some pigs. Some animals. Who's this motherfucker? Why is he staring at me like that, mate? It's beef, this guy. This big fucking guy over there, if you can see him. I just move slowly. Just beat them with my stick, mate, if they get a bit too rowdy. Some sheep. This white brother over there, mate, he's on it, mate. He's staring me out as we speak. It's planted. Look at those little guys over there. Little baby cows. Oh no, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming, mate. Fuck that. he's coming, mate. She said they're friendly, so. Maybe I've got some food. I like to stand behind the gate, really. If we could stand behind the gate, it wouldn't be too bad. Oh no, you stood up as well. It's a showdown, mate. It's a bit of it's a duel. She's gonna charge me, mate. I'll just have to charge it back. He seems a bit scatty, this one. I'd rather tackle a little one first. Like a little sheep or something. Look, he's making weird noises with his mouth, mate. This guy right here is making some weird noises. Like clicking his mouth. Yeah, let's see. That's probably the mating call. Both staring at me. Just move silently and then silent walk, silent walk. Something's in here, mate. Who's that? What is that? There's something in it. Oh, there is something there. What is that? Hello? 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 It's me, your mate. It's your mate James. Just waiting for a mate. Oh my god, look at the bollocks on it. Looks like a little cow thing. Oh, he's just stabbed his foot, mate. I'm trapped. No, he's giving me that side eye shit, mate. Oh. Oh, now he's looking. Hello. Want a biscuit? Oh, that, bro, they look. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. They're in that hole. They're in that little thing under the shade. They're literally staring at me. Pardon me. I've just been walking in shit everywhere as well, so. I think these guys are probably friendlier. Those things in that bloody, they don't look friendly. They must be though, because this is a bloody adventure park thing. Do they let kids come down here? I don't know. Oh, who's this little guy? Ah, hello. Oh, little babies are having a little. Oh no, they might charge me actually. Oh no, he's going to charge me. He's going to charge me. If I stand this side, he can't get to me. Mate, he was about to charge me, mate. I could tell. He was literally about to charge me. Look at this guy coming down with the whip though. I know, mate. Oh, he's coming out, he's coming out, he's coming out. They're all coming out for the feeding. Yeah, they're all coming out the woodwork now. As soon as the man come with the food, he's just opened up the box. Jeez. Right, let's get out of there. Mission succeeded. Not really, because I wanted to stroke one. I want to go talk to the owner and see how friendly they can be. This guy doesn't seem to give a care, so I'm just a bit of a pussy. Alright, latest people. Like and subscribe. See you next time.